Boys, today. No, that's how Ludwig starts all those videos, and I was like, this is kind of a Ludwig-esque video, so I was like, okay, we're gonna do it like this. But today, what we are going to do is we are going to be playing the worst character in Valorant. She is by far the worst character to ever exist in the game. Her name is Reyna. You know how much I hate her. I hate her so much that I actually put a requirement for me to play her. That requirement was if I got 100 contacts on my new phone number, I would be playing Reyna. This phone number, I said text me any questions, anything that you wanted to say to me, I would respond in there, and then I will make a video on it. We have reached 122 contacts right now, and I thought I should put something on the line, right? If I'm gonna be I don't want to just play Reyna on stream. That's boring, right? I wanted to have some sort of goal or something for me to meet when I'm playing Reyna. So I said if I cannot drop a 30 bomb playing Reyna, I would do the I think that's what it's called. I think that whatever the TikTok dance that everyone's doing, all the kids are doing. I said I would do it on stream if I cannot drop a 30 bomb by the end of the stream. So that is our goal. This is the goal for the stream. We're gonna be dropping a 30 bomb as Reyna. If you're wondering why I hate Reyna, I hate Reyna because I think that she is freaking useless, dude. She is actually useless. I think that her utility for her team, the only good thing that she has is her blind. And people are like, well, King, she's so good if she can get kills. Homie. So is every character. They're all good if you get kills, dude. Every single freaking character is so good if you get kills. It doesn't matter. Kills are really important in the game. So if I'm playing Reyna and I'm gonna get kills, it doesn't matter. If I'm playing freaking Teemo and I'm getting kills, it doesn't matter. The kills are important. People are like, that's two different games, King. It is. But our goal today, we're gonna be getting 30 freaking kills, and I'm not going to do this TikTok dance. That is my goal. That is my goal for today, okay? Now, if there's anything you guys know about me, by the way, it's that I am not an aimer. I'm really not. So I'm actually not too confident in the fact that I'm going to be dropping a 30 kill game. I don't have a 30 kill game all my match history right now. I mean, I've gotten 30 kill games before. I've gotten 40 kill games before, but it's not frequent, right? At most, I normally get like 20, 25 kills. I'm more of a game sense kind of guy, which is something that bad players normally say. I'm more of a game sense kind of guy, you know? But that's what I really pride myself on. So if I can drop a 30 kill game, I'm gonna feel really proud of myself because it's actually I don't do it frequently. So it's not looking too good in my favor. But I really do believe in myself right now. As I'm playing the Reyna, we're gonna be going for the kills. I think we can make it happen. I really do, and that's why I'm warming up right here, making sure that I am clean going into this game. I don't want to just hop into game and then be like, okay, well, I'm warming up that first game. This is important. This is on the line. I probably only have like 3, 4, maybe 5 games before midnight. So we're gonna really give it our best go, you know. I think we could do. I think it's cool to do that dance on stream. I've seen other people do it, right? I think it's legal. I think it's legal. What is the dance? Can somebody link me the dance? Astrozy, can you link me the dance on Discord that I will be doing? Okay. I might need a tutorial for this.
I'm gonna help you.
We're just straight up not going to win, dude. Like we're gonna get rolled this entire day. I can already feel it.
This is why we need you to drop 30.
Yeah, this is really honestly that would be the best opportunity is that you guys get rolled and I'm having an okay game. Like,
All right, that's a good start.
Okay, we did Reyna things.
Hello.
No! King, please memorize Q, please. I don't even know what you're saying, dude. You guys are saying not real words in chat. You're literally... This is the problem when people try to give advice. They don't say real words. They just yell. They just... Memorize Q! What does that mean?
Why are you... He's crouched, slow walking, peeking.
Yeah, he did that to,
Well, I actually always have a Bucky, dude, and she always one-hits me for whatever fucking range that she's at. I hate the Bucky. Oh my god, it's driving me nuts. No, I don't know how to do it, Exotic. You think I just do the WAP, like, every day? Yeah, I've just been doing the WAP, you know? Oh boy.
They're on B side though.
One enemy remaining.
The Raze is on site.
She's on B site?
She was.
Oh.
Ah, creepy. Oh my god, I wasn't paying attention.
I did Reyna things, dude. I did Reyna
15, you're
thing.
halfway there. I'll just start nading Jordan to death, alright?
Jesus Christ, this fucking Bucky, dude. I've seen you win these, dude. Okay, now it's gonna be a little bit more of a story. You got one knife left, pussy. Shoot her. Dude,
Die together.
this Reyna pain when I fucking throw a flash and nobody's ever blinded when I peek. I just like chucked the flash out there. I was like, this will blind people. No, somebody's just chilling an elbow with a fucking operator, dude. Like,
She's still saying.
this Reyna's just chilling a fucking elbow, dude, with an operator. She's trash. She's trash, dude. She's fucking trash. God damn, it's fucking Reyna, dude. I'm gonna lose my mind. Jesus Christ. Just sitting there with an operator everywhere you look. Can't use a fucking rifle for the life of her. Oh my
But
god.
we're,
I can't rifle for shit either. Don't get me wrong, but I try. I try really hard, guys.
That's not an offense.
I'm trying really hard to use a rifle. Know what I hate? Is there a button for this where I can turn this off? Because every time I press 4, it goes to plant the bomb, and it won't let me press G.
I think there's a way to turn it off. I have no idea.
Like if you can't press 4G, throw the bomb on site. It just won't let you.
It's because everything's 5G now, Case.
Everything's 5G and nothing's 4G anymore.
Then
Oh, she's in cubby. I can drop a 30 bomb. I can do it. I gotta channel my inner flutes, my inner flex ninja.
Not towards.
Oh, through my wall, man. Raze is in garage.
Was around here when he TP'd. We heard
Yeah,
it.
she's going to see.
Last player
Oh my god,
standing.
she went left side? What a loser. There might be a second one. Oh no.
Spike planted.
No.
Is this the game?
This is the one.
I trust them. I've never lost a round in my life.
Feeling sight. Last player standing.
This is the worst fucking blind in the game, dude. It is so garbage. She shoot it? Like, where did it go?
I just don't. He teleported somewhere, I think behind you. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know.
Dude just walks out of garage, completely fucking like stares at me, kills me. I don't know if he got blinded afterwards or like what happened, but
He's so blind. He's reloading too.
what? Oh my god, I can't kill anything. Oh, I'm gonna have to do the WAP, dude.
Oh god.
I said midnight, but I'm gonna do 5 games. I got 2 more games, dude.
Alright.
I'm gonna follow you around and give away your position. I don't want to see this.
Wait, hold up. I've been trying to help him out.
Ignore that thing.
Yeah, it's like there.
One enemy remaining.
Want to know where they are? There. He's headshot. No, he's dead.
I got a double, guys. I'm insane.
I've lost this fight. I accept that, and we can move on.
Kirby, we own this site.
Oh, one.
Kirby, we don't own that site. Holy shit. I didn't even know you could hide there, I'm gonna be honest. How many kills are we at? We're at 8.
10 seconds left.
Okay. We're halfway through the game. About. We have 8 kills. We need 30.
What a loser, dude. Yeah, he's just sitting there. What a... He's such a loser.
He's a Fortnite god, dude. You thought he wouldn't be camping? Like,
True,
Last
true.
round in the
he's
half.
just sitting
Got
in
my ult for
spawn.
that.
Oh,
To
you
the
push
right.
on to the right, to the right, to the right,
You
to the
just
right,
died.
to
You
the
went
right, to
down
the
the
right,
wall.
to the right. Now twist, now twist. Okay, grab my bulldog, please.
Can I jump over that Reyna mid more often? TR.
Wait, King, I love your video. He noticed you.
He knows!
They help a lot. I appreciate it, man. I'm sorry I made fun of him. I'm sorry I made fun of your name on stream.
Door down, do it.
Spike planted.
Busting. Go all Gryffindor on their ass.
I think it was close.
100% there's a jet on
Of
that
course he
wall.
dinks me, dude. Okay. He's fucking hacking, dude. He's hacking. Of course, our last game we go against a hacker, dude. He's hacking. He's a hacker.
Player standing.
Now he's on site. He just teleported over to site. Oh my god, dude.
Man, Omen teleporting? Hack!
Hacks.
Next time, Casey says he has to get 30 kills on Reyna, it's gonna be in a custom, so there's maybe
It's all rigged, dude. It's all rigged. This is our problem. Most people rig these challenges. I just did it live, dude. I was like, yeah, we're gonna roll with this.
Well, you're the king live. So
I am the king live. You are correct.
Damn, King live.
That'd be good.
We have to play another game, but it doesn't count.
Good
Right,
luck.
doesn't it just end the game?
Well, if it's like, if they get banned mid-game, yeah. You saw that guy? There's a guy like on top of the box there, Brandon.
Nope.
Fire.
Oh, he was there.
Last player standing.
Nice try.
Oh,
Ooh, expecting
jeez.
some cover.
Good save.
Need a drop? Need a drop.
Mmm.
I said it
No,
first.
me.
Oh my
A
god.
cultured man.
I can drop you
19
whatever,
feet. I can drop you
700.
Bulldog or
Did you get your
Marshall.
sub
There
icons?
you go.
I had a girl from Twitter
Marshall.
make them for me. Her name was Vicky.
No! Go with Marshall.
Joke's over! You're dead!
Fine.
Joke's over. I'm dead.
This is a bad omen smoke. A shit omen smoke. I blinded all of them.
Because
Oh
you're just a
my
better
God.
Reyna, man.
Oh, he's in the corner! You sons of bitches!
Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's
the best
go.
support play
I
of
got
the
way
day.
to 30. I'm
You
not
see
doing
that
the WAP
ultimate
today.
line?
How many kills now? We're at 11. We need 30. Are you doing the peak? Are you gonna do it?
Doing the peak, dude.
You have to. So you have to throw your satchel before the round.
Let's remind
I would stand in like the middle, and then just jump and you satchel up and make sure. No, not right there, dude. Oh, give it a shot, I guess.
Flip.
They were ready for me.
Oh no.
There we go. Casey made up for it.
one enemy remaining.
Oh, winnable.
Where's that?
What?
No, dude. She's lit 104. 104. Nice! She legged you. Let's go. We're at 14 kills. We can do this. We need 16 more.
Missed my jump over the wall.
Bye.
One's in back side, yeah? Or did you get it? Still back side, no.
Okay, let me get there. I can blind her. Alright.
Roomba out.
Blinding her.
She's
Oh,
out,
she
on side.
pushed out.
She's on site.
One enemy
One
remaining.
to the right there. Yeah, he's
And it-
Nice. No! Stop!
He's in spawn. Casey, push this with me.
Reyna, you have the bomb. Reyna, you have the bomb.
Yep.
I dropped it.
I lit him for you. I gave up.
Heal me.
One enemy remaining.
You saw him like mid.
Let's go! We're gonna do it! We're at 20 kills. We can do it. We just need 10 more.
I'm just gonna grab every alt orb since I can't actually do anything. Playing full support omen. There's definitely like no one else. I'm gonna clear spawn for you, alright? It is clear. Hold on, I'll blind him in a second. Yeah! I'm blinded. They're both
One
blind.
enemy remaining.
I am the best support ever.
Let's go!
I am the best. Hold up. Alright, we haven't gone mid. Let's just go up cat. Let's push him up cat. The guy's honestly trash.
Yeah, let's push him up, cat.
Push up some cats.
I'm not
hurry.
leading the way. I'm not.
3 more off smoke. Highest, dumbest motherfucker on this planet.
No! Kirby, res me! Res me, Kirby! Cover me, Kirby!
Get out of the ult! Get out of the ult!
Alright, we're winning this round anyways. Oh, he missed it! What an E!
You need to get the last kill. You guys take it from him. I need WAP.
Oh yeah, we got a hunt.
Let's go! No WAP today, boys! We're fucking made it! Yeah!
Alright, we have 3 offs.
We're not doing the WAP today. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Yeah! Last game. Holy shit.
Oh, wait, I didn't mean to buy you that. Oh
What
no.
a moment, too. What a moment.
Oh my
Dude,
god,
I was trying so hard
That
to
was
get
so
that
chaotic. Dude, that was
I
so
fucking dodged the
chaotic.
killjoy ulti, dude. That feels so good.
It was real weird because I ran in and got opped in the head again, like first death.
Shout out to fucking Sage, dude. This is why Kirby's a mod. This
What
is why
corner?
he exists.
There
Kirby,
a lot of them.
just, he's always pulling the weight of the channel. This channel would not exist without Kirby.
Precisely a lot.
If it weren't for Kirby, I would be doing things like the WAP on stream and getting banned. But instead, we finally got the win. It says defeat, but this is a victory, boys.
It's been the most disappointing game I've ever played.
I don't know about you. I'm pretty happy right now.
I died like first every round, and now I don't get to see a dance at the end of it.